After exercising, oftentimes we want just a little bit of a snack. So today's recipe is very easy and simple, but yet it has loaded with a lot of energy. So today's recipe is the peanut butter pita pockets. So I have pita pocket and I have peanut butter and apples. And so the first thing is to cut the pita pocket in half. Now, sometimes it's hard to get them to open, but if you pop it into the microwave for just a few seconds, it will open a little easier. This one is just right. It's opening perfect. Okay. There we go. All right. And also the pita pockets are really good if they're warm right out of the microwave too. Okay, I have some peanut butter. If you prefer the smoothie or maybe you prefer the crunchy, whatever type of peanut butter you like. And I'm going to put a fourth of a cup of peanut butter into my measure. And a kitchen trick is, if you have some cooking spray, is to spray your container that you're going to put peanut butter in, just a little bit, okay? And that way it makes it a lot easier for you to get the peanut butter out of the dish when you're ready to add it to your recipe. So we're going to just start. We're going to actually, I'm making 2 pita pockets. And so I'm going to use, I found that a regular kitchen dinner knife works well with this. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to spread about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and I'm using the smooth peanut butter because that's what I prefer. You may prefer the other. And see how easy it does come out of the container. So that's about 2 tablespoons there. And then I have some apples. I have sliced, and I'm going to place the apples inside the pita pocket. Lots of good fiber and vitamins. And the apples, these are apple crisp. These are the apple crisp apples, okay? All right, and this is our second pita pocket. So I'm going to spread just a little bit of peanut butter. About 2 tablespoons inside. Okay, there we go. And place some more of our apple slices inside our pita pocket. Okay, you can also buy the apples sliced at your local grocery. Okay, so now we have, let's put one more in our pita pocket. So this is a quick and easy and very healthy snack. I've noticed that also in the local grocery, they have the mini pita pockets, which are just actually maybe 2 bites. And that would be a good idea to use if you wanted to take them on the go. Just chop your apples into small pieces, spread the peanut butter inside your mini pita pocket, and add your chopped apples to it. We could add some raisins. That would give us a little more fiber there and a little more energy. So this is our peanut butter pita pockets. I'm Dorothy Lee, Family and Consumer Science Agent, University of Florida, Escambia County Extension. Stay tuned for another Let's Walk recipe.